What's up, family? I just wanted to shoot a quick video about the my upcoming boot camp to end 2022. If you guys are interested, definitely tap in. If you're interested in building generational wealth, if you're interested in learning about how you can leverage real estate to buy your time back, this is all about time freedom. This is about getting your time back, getting out the rat race where you don't have to wake up and go to a dead-end job, where you can learn how to build assets that can pay you. That's what the wealthy do. The wealthy don't trade their time for money, and they don't get caught up in this time is money, time is money. Time is infinitely more valuable than money, because guess what? Whenever you were broke, you were able to go find some more money. But when you run out of time, you don't have any more time. You can't go back to last week and do what you wanted to do. And, you can't go and spend time with your kids and take them to that Disney vacation that you want to go on, or take them just to be able to take them to the park or the soccer game and make it, because you're having to work multiple jobs or work a dead-end job where they force you to work overtime. And that's the thing with real estate. Real estate gives you a time and it gives you the cash flow where you can spend your time however you want. So if you guys are interested in figuring out how to get your time back and how to live like the wealthy, and not have to trade your time for money, that's what this is about. I'm gonna give you the strategies on how you can buy single family apartment buildings, whatever the asset class, wholesaling to build capital up and partner with the right people in order to do deal and create deal flow, because 2023 is gonna be a great opportunity for those that want to build wealth, and you just got to be able to take action on the information. So that's what it's all about. The boot camp coming up, we're going to end the year the right way and help those that's looking to get started in real estate investing and building wealth. Let's go.